Hello, welcome all to my channel AJ Studio. Today we are going to explain regarding the program that is the Teapot program in OpenGL that comes in computer graphics and which is normally we call it as a tough program. And in that program we can do a lot of modification, which you can create mini project in that using those functions. We will see regarding the Teapot. Let me open Visual Studio. So this is a program. Okay, and if you want to know the explanation of Teapot program, I will share the link at the above the video. You can see that. Okay, and click that. Part 1, part 2, part 3s are there. You can go through my channel. So now in this video I'm going to run this program first. Let me debug the program. So debug, would you like? Yes. So now you can see here this is a teapot output, a simple shaded scene, a teapot on a table. Okay, and let me do few changes in the program, modification in the program, so that you can see what are the changes you can do. So if in future if you want to do changes, and if it will be useful for your mini project if you want to do in OpenGL. So there are some inbuilt functions that I'm going to teach you. So let me go directly. So the program. So here I have commented few things. Okay, and normally this I'll comment it. You can see glutSolidCube is a inbuilt function that is the inbuilt function for the teapot function, and 0.09 is the size of that. So normally 0.09 when I run this okay, if you would like to build, you can see the size of the teapot. It is almost average size. Okay, so now what will I do is I'll change these values and we will see what will happen. 0.09 I will give 0.29. So I'll just compile again. I have done the change, that is 0.29. Now you can see very clearly the size of the teapot is quite bigger. So the parameter suggests that it is nothing but the size. Okay, so that's the first thing. So let me do other things. This is one of the inbuilt functions you can use. So I will comment this. There is one more second one, that is a glut wire teapot. So it's a wireframe image. You can see 0.09 we have given. Change it to 0.119. Okay, let it be 0.19. See the changes between solid teapot and wire teapot. Let me debug. Okay, and see the change now. You can see here it is a wireframe image. You can see what is wireframe. This is called wireframe, where you can see the inside part also. If you want, I can change the values. Okay, what I'll do is I'll change the values here. So 0.19, 0.29 I'll do. Okay, and I'll debug the program. So here, if I debug the program, you can see it is quite big in size. You can see the wireframes. This is a wireframe. Normally, it is used in wireframe. Okay, this is a wireframe. So I hope that's the changes you can do, and still you can do a lot of changes. So let me comment this wireframe, and now we will see some SolidCube. This is also one of the inbuilt function used in this one, SolidCube. So let me run this. Yes, would you like to build? Yes, you can see the shape of the happen. Okay. Let me run it once again. It is small. You can see here. This is a SolidCube. This is a SolidCube. What will I do is I'll increase the size of that. 0.1 is there. I'll make it as 0.3, and I'll run this again. Okay, I'll run this again. So you can see the size of the solid this one. It is quite big. So you can change the shape. So these are all inbuilt functions. SolidCube. Same way you can use what will I do is WireCube. So WireCube, same way, that is same way like wire teapot. We will see. I will give the size as 0.1. So let me attach and let me debug. Yes, you can see here it's a wired one. It's a wire where you can see the inside, and it is somewhat transparent. Let me increase the size of that 0.3. Yes, I will do it as 0.3, and let me debug it. Yes, you can see here maximize it. This is a wired one where you can see inside one. So there are a lot of inbuilt functions you can use. So solid teapot, wired teapot, solid cube. Okay, and there are few others are there. You can see, you can try it. Okay, you can take a screenshot now. You can pause the video and take a screenshot. Solid decahedron, dodecahedron, that is a dodecahedron, octahedron, icosahedron, and tetrahedron. And these are solid. You can use wire one also. Instead of solid, you can write wire. Just I'll type over here wire. The same way, of course, the W should be capital. It should be caps. So wire dodecahedron and solid dodecahedron. That you can do it. Okay. For others also, instead of solid, you make it as wired. So you can see the changes, and there are a lot of functionalities are there. 12 to 13. You can just go to OpenGL.org website. That is OpenGL.org. OpenGL.org is the website where you will get a lot of inbuilt functions which can be used. So you can do that, and even I will share this code in the description, and you can copy and you can paste it, and you can run the program. And thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and always share.